y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another Shake It, Scrap It, Create It. So this week's prompts are lavender, scissors, and stickers. And I have done a little bit of prep work already. I am also combining this with my How to Kill a Kit with Style series I'm participating in. Because I did use one of my papers from my kit. And I am also combining this with Baby Got Scraps, which is a hop that happens. I participated for the first time last year. But all through the month of January, you are working on using up your scrap papers that you have. So, I did use some scraps on this. I have everything laid out. I just wanted to show you guys what I was going to be doing. This is where I took my stickers from. You can see I have my little tray of things here. My candy tray. And I have some of the stickers from there. But they came from this Sticko stickers that's super old. And then I used some scraps of paper from this Simple Stories Winter Wonder paper pad. And this one has just a bunch of little random scrap pieces in it from last year, because I really loved using this, and I would actually like to get it used up this year, so that's on my list of things to do. And then I took some pieces from this, which was part of my kit that I built. That is 49 and Market ephemera bits. I had two packs of them somehow, and I combined them all in here. And I'm going to try to work on using these up, because I never think to look for them. And I've had them just in a 49 and Market area, so I think I need to bring these out and put in my drawer with my other basic things, just so they will get used up. And because they don't have to just be used with 49 and Market paper. I have this piece that was created from a swap. Super cute. I don't know who made it. And then I have these trees that came from a swap. I don't know who made them. I made this little girl and her penguin from one of my die sets that I have. And then, like I said, I got some bits and pieces from my ephemera pack. I have some stickers. I have some little pieces of scraps here. And I have my photo mats cut. I don't have photos to put on here yet. I'm filming this today whenever y'all are seeing this. We're actually have a winter weather advisory out, which is unusual. We normally don't get a lot of snow or anything. Last year we got a really good one, but we did have freezing rain this morning. So, they're calling for snow and ice tonight. So we might get some, and I might have pictures to put on it tomorrow. If not, I have other pictures that I can use on here, and I will make sure to put them, because y'all know I don't do good just creating base pages. So, my next thing I wanted to show you guys was this. I took inspiration. I created this myself on the Cricut, and I took the inspiration from a Pear Tree Cut Files one that they did, and I wanted to see if I could recreate it myself on the Cricut, and I did. So this was my lavender for the prompt this week. I cut it out in lavender. And then of course I have stickers, and then I've used my scissors to cut multiple things already to get it ready. But this was really fun to create. And I do have some Cricut tutorials coming up this month and probably next month. So I will show you guys kind of how to build stuff like this if y'all are interested. And then, y'all know I've been loving the shaker stuff. So I made another shaker page. And pretty much all I did was tuck my paper. I cut 1/4 of an inch off of this side of it. So that, and then I sewed it. You could use double stick tape. And then I put my sequin mix in it and sewed it shut. So so that this can actually fit down inside of a regular page protector since it's a little bit narrower. So I thought it's super pretty. I used up some of the shaker mixes that I got during Christmas this year from other swappers. And then I'm going to have this. So I am going to attach this to the plastic. I have a double stick tape on most of it. And I will come back and show you guys. And we'll build it together. So hold on. Alright. I am back. I have it attached down. Look how pretty. Y'all, I'm loving these shaker pages way too much. Way too much. So I have my little pieces, and all we're going to do is build a scene pretty much. Get everything here in order. Alright, so last time I made one of these, a lot of you guys commented and said you had never made one before. And hopefully y'all tried those. But I have also found that if you do it the way I do it, by just putting it in a page protector and then closing it up, you have to trim it down a little bit, your paper and your page protector, so that it can fit into a regular one. And you need to use double stick tape to attach it, because if not, it will not stay with glue. Like, it pops right back up off of the plastic. So that's just some little tips there. So I'm gonna put my title up here, and I have used foam tape, and then I have double stick tape on the ones I'm not gonna use foam tape on, because like I said, to attach it down, you have to really attach it down to get it to stay. So I'm gonna add my trees. And I figure I can use this with pretty much anything wintry we end up doing, since it says winter fun. I'm sure if we don't get a snow event or, you know, whatever, that by the end of winter I will definitely have pictures of something I could put on here. I mean, I could even do hot chocolate, us having hot chocolate. Even though it's not outside, it's cold. Okay, so I have all these little pieces out because I thought I would just layer them up to kind of beef up my photo mats, I guess, and to just use these up since I haven't used them. So I'm just going to layer them up. And then I'm just going to add these little pieces here. It don't have to be perfect. It's just getting the scraps used up. And I just wanted to kind of add it in. So, actually I think I was going to use this one since it's flat. I did rip these off the paper, the scraps. I just ripped it so it'd have a torn edge. Let's do this one down this side. And then I have these pink ones I wanted to bring in. Let's see, where do I want it? I guess I could do it down here. This one is a lot more labor intensive, I guess you could say, than my normal pages. But It still goes together really easy and really fast because of having the swap pieces that I have, so that I can just create a page. It's just like having actual store-bought ephemera to create your page with. So it makes it a lot easier. So I think I want to do my photo mats maybe like this. And if we do get a snow event, there'll be 1,000,001 pictures, so I may end up turning this one into a double pager. So if I do, I'll try to create a second page for y'all to see. But this would be very easily translate into a double page. Tucking it around and over and under and to work it in here. I'm going to pull my tree on top. Okay. Do this one like this. And then my little girl I put on foam. I'm just going to put her down here. And the little penguin, which is super cute. We don't get cold enough for Arctic weather by any means, but y'all know I'm always cold, so everything is Arctic weather to me. Okay, so I have all these little, let's see, I think I'm going to use this one, and I think I'll stick it right here. And it's on foam, so if I decide I need to lift it up, the foam tape, I use the foam roll. It's very easy just to pop it up if you need it, but it still holds really good. And then I have these two little things. I was thinking maybe just this. It says "Oh So Happy" and "Favorite Photos." So I'm just going to put a little dot of glue over on one side so it's not on the photo mat, so I can just slide my photo under it. It's hard for me to use up all these little pieces. I just don't do it. I like the way it looks when everyone else does it. I figure I'll put this on here and then I can just add the year. And then I have these stickers. So ice, winter, and snowflakes. I figure it covers it all. And if it don't snow and we don't have snowflakes, it'll be okay anyways. Can you tell Pip has been in here? There is cat hair on everything. Let's see. I cut these down so I could try them out in places, and now I can't get it off the sheet. Oh, okay. There we go. I think I'm just going to put them down through here on the side. Let's see. These are kind of the same color, so let's go up here. And then this one's a different color. So let's just put it here. And that's going to be the page. And I think it's really pretty. It's very sparkly in snow. Look how pretty. I love the shaker element of it. Okay, so pretty much we need to shake for next week's prompts. So we have embellishment, shapes, colors, numbers, and techniques and tools. So let's do shapes, colors, numbers first. This year, if you are playing along with this, come over and join the Facebook group, and you can add your photos in an album that's been created over there. Alright, so this one's kind of full, so it's hard to shake up. So let's see what we get. Glitter. Yay! This one would have been perfect. So you can use actual glitter, glitter cardstock, glitter pens, glitter markers, whatever. I am not the craft police, and this is just to get you thinking and being creative. So, techniques and tools. There is no right or wrong, and if you don't have something, substitute it. It's just to get you being creative, thinking out of the box, and using what you have. Okay, mixed media. That goes good with glitter. You could even use glitter paste if you have it. And then embellishments. Well, this one's turning out. Come on, flowers. Y'all know I love me some flowers. If it's flowers, I'm going to die. Film strip. Alright, so our prompts for next week is film strip, mixed media, and glitter. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, bye y'all.